Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off VoiceOver on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS, it is all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to accessibility, and here in the first option you are going to find VoiceOver, so click that on, and if you want to click turn on the VoiceOver, just tap on the VoiceOver. And now, as you can hear, maybe or maybe not, I'm going to turn the volume up a little bit. Now the VoiceOver is on, and as you can see, there is different type of navigation through the VoiceOver. So as you can see, tap once to select an item, so the VoiceOver is going to read it, and double tap to activate the selected item. So this is how you can navigate through the VoiceOver. So now if I want to just turn this off, as you can see, just by clicking on the setting, it is not going to turn that off, but if I'm going to double tap, as you can see, this is how you can turn off the VoiceOver. So to turn on, you just need to type once, but if you want to turn that off, you need to select VoiceOver, and then you wanna click 2 times on the VoiceOver to deselect the turn off, or just, do something with the item. So let's say I want to turn that on, and now if I select VoiceOver, I can even double tap anywhere on the screen to turn that off. So first you need to select and then double tap to do anything with this selected item. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!